if you upload per week 2 long video, so 4 week, eight 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 long video and also short. So my monthly package is only for you $250. I mean 250.
And that's per month?
Yeah, per month. This per month.
Okay. Do you do all the editing and all of that?
No, I only SEO optimization.
Okay. So I would have to edit. Okay.
Yeah. And I'm very excited
Okay.
to give you best result.
Do you have anybody who does editing or no?
No, my team member, all team member are
Okay.
discussing.
Okay. Um, okay. Now, when it comes to SEO,
Mhm.
you're seeing what words are trending, are you giving me direction as to what I should be talking about?
Yeah. I also suggest a content idea. When your channel are uploaded like 10 or 20 video, when your YouTube are data, some data for your YouTube channel, then YouTube also suggest you. Can I share my screen to show you my channel, my client channel? Then you can
Please.
understand. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So if going to this channel, you just click analytics, then click trends. You can idea trend section. When you upload 10 or 20 video, then YouTube also suggest in here your viewers whose content are most watch and most like. YouTube also suggest you. You can take idea in here. Okay. First
Okay.
of all, first go to YouTube Studio, then click Analytics, then Trend section, then click Trends. Then you can see a lot of the video in here. Okay, it's very easy. No problem. I always
Okay.
guide you. When you for any problem face, just message me. Hey, Mehdi, I am not understanding this. I
Okay.
always hear. No problem. Okay, always share me.
Okay.
My English are not good, but my word quality 100% good. Just trust me.
So I think I tend to want everything perfect, but I just need to start, right?
Okay,
I just have to start.
so can I send you custom order?
Yes.
Okay, this budget for okay for you. This budget okay for you?
Yeah.
Okay, great.